Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to quickly register for your Sainsbury's bank account online. It's quick, easy, and you can do it all from your computer or phone. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to do, simply open up your browser and go to the official Sainsbury's website. And once you're on the homepage, simply look at the top right corner and you should be able to see the login button, so simply click on that once you found it. Then select register for online banking. Now Sainsbury's will ask you for a few details to confirm your identity. So things like your credit card or loan number, your date of birth, and a few digits from your postcode. So just fill those in carefully. And once you've done that, you then have to set up your username, password, and a few security questions. Make sure to write them down or save them somewhere safe because you need them every time you log in. And once that's done, you then get a confirmation email from Sainsbury's Bank. So simply open it and click the link inside to activate your online banking account. And that's it. So you then have successfully created an account and you can then log in anytime to check your balance, make payments, or manage your cards and loans in one place. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.